Hello everyone, welcome to Brimitech. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up TeamViewer software in Windows 10 machine. Okay, just if you are going to use TeamViewer software for your personal use, just hit this green button to download. I have already downloaded, as you can see, and I'm just going to open the exe file. Here is the exe file and I'm going to right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, here is the setting option. I'm going to minimize this up, and now as you can see, how do you want to proceed? Just basic installation. And how do you want to use TeamViewer? I'm a personal and non-commercial use. Okay, just accept and finish. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it took less than 1 minute to set up TeamViewer in Windows 10 machine. It was so easy. Now it's time to access a remote PC. If you want to share your PC to a remote user, you will just share this ID and the password. Okay, and if you want to access any remote PC, just you will ask for the partner ID and everything. I have another laptop beside me and I'm going to access my laptop. Okay, I have got the partner ID. It's on 8596585. Okay, just hit this connect to partner button, and you will also ask password to your partner. I'm going to put the password here and hit this login button. As you can see, I have accessed another PC. Now I can use everything of that PC. Just I'm going to open this. I'm going to use this. Okay, and everything is possible. So I think you could understand how to set up TeamViewer software in Windows 10 and access remote PC. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay.